Welcome to Lahore School System, and we are providing robotic education. We have 50 plus campuses in 25 plus different cities. And don't worry, we deliver in time. And we are reliable too. We have very attractive digital classrooms with on-aisle video facility. Robot will increase economic growth and productivity and create new opportunities for many people worldwide. Imparting high level of knowledge. E-learning has many benefits. E-learning is good at achieving it, giving good outcomes. And ta-da! It also increases your knowledge. Oh yeah! A big announcement. Our admission are open too. So don't get late. And get your child admission in Lahore School System. Because robotic has a very big scope in Pakistan. It will be very beneficial for your child. Fasten your seatbelts. Because if your child is studying in Lahore School System, he will become successful person from here. And feel free to contact us whenever you want.